Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a bullet journal in Notion. So really simple. From your Notion homepage, we're going to click in the top left-hand corner to create a new page. So as always, you can create your bullet journal from scratch, or you can use the really cool free templates, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on the templates tab in the search bar. I'm going to type in bullet journal and see what free templates come up. So you've got like bullet journal, habit tracker bullet journal, basic bullet journal, reading journal. So you can click into each of these and just preview to see if it's good enough for what you want. If you don't like it, just click back and have a look at the other bullet journals. So let's see, I'm going to click on this one. So I'm going to add it to my space. And once it's loaded on the left-hand side, you can start editing your bullet journal. So I'm going to click onto my bullet journal. So all the sections you can edit really easily. So I can edit like the titles of the sections, and you can add new sort of lines in for different sections like your goals and things like that. So like take mom out, things like that. When you're happy with that, and then you can rename your bullet journal. So I can click on the three dots, click on rename, and instead of saying template, I can just edit the name. So it might be something like bullet journal 2026. Then you can just keep on editing it, and you can even take different sections from other bullet journals and add them. You can add on new pages. Yeah, really, really simple. So that's how you create a bullet journal in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.